Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, we'll first spend some time in studying this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be by drawing this small circle over here of radius 9. Then copying that circle to the right side with a center to center distance of 88 units. Then I would draw one line from the midpoint of this circle to the right extending to 44 units. Then I would drag that line upwards to a distance of 70 units. Then I would take that as a midpoint and I would draw a circle of 18 radius. Then I would draw one tangential line from this circle to this circle and second tangential line from this circle to this circle. For drawing this, we'll use the circle command and in that we'll select the tangent radius command. So we'll select tangential to this and radius of 92 units. Then I'll trim off the unwanted parts of the circle and I'll join this into one complete polyline. Then I would draw one line from the midpoint of the circle extending outward at a distance of 40 units. And then I would draw this circle of 19 dia and this circle of 20 dia. Now before we go further, I will offset this particular entity to a distance of 31 minus 9, that is 22 units on the outer side. Then I would explode that outer unit and fillet this part with a radius of 18 units. Then I would draw this circle which is of radius 47. Then I would mirror this part, this circle and this filleted arc to the left side. Then I would draw the center marks. Then I would follow the dimensioning and our geometry is complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So we'll first use the circle and the center radius command and I would use this as a tracking point and I would click somewhere over here and give a circle with the radius of 9 units and hit enter. Then I will copy this circle to the right at a distance of 88 units. So CO for copy, select the circle to copy, click on the center point and to the right at a distance of 88 units and hit enter and press escape to come out of the copy command. Then I would draw one line from the midpoint of the circle to the center point, 44 units, hit enter and then extend it upward 70 units, hit enter and again press enter to come out of the command. Then I will draw this circle which is of 18 radius. So I will select circle, center radius, this is the center point and radius is 18 units. Then I would draw one line which would be tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle. Again, I would use the line command tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle. Hit enter. Now to draw this arc, I'll use the tangent radius command, tangential to this and radius of 92 units. Then I would use the trim command and trim the unwanted parts of the circle like this. And we also do not need the referential lines, so we'll erase the referential lines this way. Then I will select this entire entity and I would use the join command and make it into one polyline. Then I would offset this to a distance of 31 minus 9, that is 22 units. So click on the object to offset and side to offset. Hit enter to come out of it. Then I would draw one line which extends from the midpoint of this to the right side at a distance of 40 units and hit enter. Then I would draw one circle with a diameter of 19 units. So I'll click on this as a center point, diameter 19, hit enter. Then I would draw one circle of radius 20. So click here and give the radius as 20. Then I would use the explode command to explode this outer circle, else this will not get filleted. So I explode it and then I type fillet and give the radius as 18 and click over here and click over here. So this area gets filleted. Now we have to draw this outer circle of radius 47. So circle, center radius. This is the center point and radius is 47 and hit enter. Now we will trim off the unwanted parts of the circle. So we'll type the trim command and we no longer need this. We no longer need this. We don't need this. So whichever are the unwanted parts of the circle, we'll carefully delete those unwanted parts. And we also do not need this referential line. Now we will mirror this part. So starting from here to here, enter, specify the first point of mirror line and the second point and hit enter. Then we trim the unwanted areas. So we don't need this, this, this and this. And our geometry is now complete. So we'll select the entire geometry this way and increase the thickness to 0.30. Then we'll use the center mark command and give one center mark here, 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 here and here. Press escape. We can also increase the length of this center mark by clicking over here and dragging it downwards. Then pressing escape and we'll select the 4 center marks and we'll change their color to red and press escape. Now our geometry is complete and we can proceed with the dimensioning. So we will first begin with linear dimensioning. We'll go in the annotation panel, select linear dimensioning and select center to center and we get the distance as 88 units. Then we'll go for radius dimensioning and click on this arc and get the radius as 92. Again we select radius dimensioning, click on this edge of the circle and we get a radius of 9. Then we again select radius dimensioning, click on this edge and we get the radius as 31. Again radius dimensioning, click on this arc and we get the radius as 9. Again radius dimensioning and we click on this arc and we get the radius as 31. Then we select radius dimensioning, click over here and it is 18. Again radius dimensioning, Click over here and it is 18. Then we go for, if the dimensioning doesn't come proper, let's do it again. Radius dimensioning, click over here, ensure it is straight and perfect. Then go for linear dimensioning, center to center, distance is 70 units. Then go for radius dimensioning and click over here and it is 20. Then go for diametric dimensioning, click on this circle and it is 19. Then go for radius dimensioning and click on this circle and it is 47. Then go for linear dimensioning, center to center, distance is 80 units. Then go for radius dimensioning, click on this and it is 18. Then click on diametric dimensioning, click on the inner circle and it is 19. And then go for radius dimensioning, click on this outer arc and it is 20. Ensure that we have covered the dimensioning for all the entities and our geometry is now complete. So friends, hope you have learned many new things. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.